Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing, or actually unpackaging, of these US General magnetic strips. Okay, these are actually both the exact same thing, except one this is in totally different packaging. One got easy packaging to take out, and one has difficult packaging to take out. So I just want to show you this quick on the Harbor Freight website. So that is the magnetic strip there. They sell quite a bit of them. It has a pretty good high feedback rating too, right? So those are $4.99. Now the thing I really wanted to show you is how to attach this to your cabinet. If you ever have a US General cabinet or Icon, whatever, I'll show you how to do that. I don't think a lot of people realize how to get this in your these in your cabinet. You need two for that. So we're going to take those, unpackage those, all right? Like I said, the first one is easy, right? It's just, that's a stapled on. The second one, I need a scissors. So I got a Quinn scissors I'm using, which I use for all this unpackaging things. Right. So there it is there. Okay. Now you're not gonna drill this on your cabinet. What you're going to do is you're going to attach these together. Okay. And yeah, I always have this laying around. You know, these ain't really high graded bolts, but there's something for projects. I got these on Amazon. But I got these here. These bolts, these have a lock nut on them. All right, so we're gonna put that bolt on there. Actually, it might be a little bit of a tight fit. Yeah, so that's okay. Well, the other side is not quite lining up. So let's try smaller bolts. Okay, let's go dig in this. So we got here. The thing that's loose. So what you want to do if you have a loose one like this, that will go, is we want to put electrical tape on that too, because we don't want that scratching the cabinet. Like I said, it beats. Some people think they have to drill holes in the cabinet, which you do not. I have to reach over and get my electrical tape. Make sure that's covered. Okay. So that is on there. This side, that one seems to be okay. But let's put electrical tape over that. Yeah, if you have a loose one like that, you know, take it off, put electrical tape on it. Okay, that's good. Okay. so there we have it, right? So it's magnetic on both sides. So I'm going to crank the camera over to my cabinet because I already got one there already. And so this is just going to go on like that. And there you go. I have two on there. And they stick pretty good. So no drilling. That's our cabinet, guys. So that's it. That's a simple way of getting these attached to your cabinet. Just buy two of them, get some small bolts, and you're set to go. All right. Thanks for watching, guys.